unveiling the mysteries of Ciudad Perdida, Lost City in Colombia. A journey to ancient civilization. Nestled deep within the lush jungles of the Sierra Nevada mountains in Colombia lies the Ciudad Perdida, or the Lost City. This archaeological wonder is a testament to the advanced civilizations that once thrived in this region. Exploring its intricate history, captivating architecture, and the journey to its discovery offers a unique educational and enlightening experience. The Ciudad Perdida is believed to have been built by the Tairona civilization, which flourished from around 200 to 1600 CE. This pre-Columbian society developed complex agricultural systems, remarkable stonework, and a sophisticated social structure, making the Lost City a key archaeological site in understanding the history of indigenous cultures in the Americas. The Lost City remained hidden in the dense jungle for centuries, known only to local indigenous communities. It wasn't until the 1970s that a group of treasure hunters stumbled upon the site. Unfortunately, their presence and looting activities caused damage to the site. It was only in the 1980s that the Colombian government took control of the area, leading to extensive research and preservation efforts. The layout of the Ciudad Perdida features terraced platforms, ceremonial plazas, staircases, and stone pathways that wind through the jungle. The city's architecture is a testament to the Tairona's engineering prowess and their ability to adapt to the challenging terrain. The Tairona people ingeniously shaped the mountainside into terraced platforms for agriculture. These terraces allowed them to cultivate crops like maize, yams, and cassava, supporting a substantial population. The city contains circular plazas with stonework foundations that were likely used for important ceremonies and communal gatherings. Elaborate stone pathways connect various parts of the city, showcasing the Tairona's mastery of stonework and engineering. Reaching the Ciudad Perdida involves a multi-day trek through dense jungle, river crossings, and steep mountain paths. The journey provides insights into the diverse ecosystems of the Sierra Nevada and offers a glimpse into the lives of the indigenous communities that still inhabit the area. The Sierra Nevada is home to 4 distinct indigenous groups: the Kogi, Arhuaco, Waiwa, and Kankuamo. These communities have maintained their cultural practices and spiritual beliefs for centuries. They view the Lost City as a sacred place and have played a vital role in its preservation and conservation. The Lost City's popularity as a tourist destination has led to efforts to balance exploration with preservation. Sustainable tourism practices are being implemented to minimize the impact on the site and respect the indigenous community's cultural heritage. Visiting the Ciudad Perdida offers valuable educational insights into archaeology, anthropology, and the history of indigenous cultures. It sheds light on the complex societies that existed before European contact and provides a platform to discuss cultural preservation and heritage conservation. The Ciudad Perdida stands as a window into the past, allowing us to glimpse the achievements of a sophisticated ancient civilization. Its remote location, remarkable architecture, and historical significance make it a fascinating educational destination. By respecting the site, supporting sustainable tourism, and engaging in cultural dialogue with local communities, we can ensure that the Lost City continues to captivate and educate generations to come.